Teacher Evelyn Kaha, you are a Zionist imperialist. You are working with the Marcos loyalist. Teacher Evelyn Kaha. You know, Teacher Evelyn Kaha, everyone are anti-Marcos. Huh? Have you never heard that you are a victim of martial law? Me, I'm a victim of martial law, Teacher Evelyn Kaha. I know you're a retard. Oh. Look at Teacher Jolie. Oh. She is an anti-Marcos. If I were you, Teacher Evelyn Kaha, read the history and lecture those fake Filipinos who are Marcos loyalists. Teach them a lesson. Oh, do you remember what I said before when I learned that from Teacher May Tiburcio? Oh, Teacher May said to me, she learned a lesson about the historical revisionism against Marcoses. This is hard to say, Danmar Dayaw. And also Ate Dina Guillermo. Oh, at least Teacher Evelyn Kaha is a victim of martial law, of Marcos Sr. Because if I want to say that CDIFI it was founded by Marcoses, I will destroy that CDIFI. And I will destroy the Ferdinand Marcos Sr.'s museum. If we go to Ilocos Norte, we will arson the museum of Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. We will make the Rodrigo Duterte Museum in Ilocos Norte and Davao City. You know, I'm very angry at you, Danmar Dayaw. And even Ate Dina Guillermo. And all of those CDIFI teachers and staff are Marcos loyalists, at least. Except Ate Rona and Teacher May are anti-Marcos. Oh. You don't know what you're talking about? I am angry. Overwhelmed. And I said, I'm very angry at those Marcos loyalists, even Ilocanos. Even Sangkay Janjan and Romeo TV Vlog. It is very nice to make bullying towards at Rodelio Daguman. I am warning you, Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan and Ate Dina Guillermo and other Filipinos who are Ilocano, who are fake Filipinos, who are Marcos loyalists. One more bashing toward at Kuya Rodelio Daguman. We will arson the Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. Museum. That's what I said. Sunugin natin ang museum ni Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. If I am saying nobody love Marcoses. If I were saying to all of you, everyone hates Marcoses. You don't know what I'm understanding. Look at Ate Mel Canete. Oh, she's anti-Marcos. Look at Ate Pura Bonono, the mother of Miguel. She's also anti-Marcos. Oh, they're also anti-Marcos. Ate Emily, oh. Ate Rona, oh, they are also anti-Marcos. Oh, do you remember Teacher May? Oh, Teacher Honey, Teacher Maxi, oh, they're all anti-Marcos. Even Teacher Chris, Teacher Jessa Fernandez, Teacher Lendel, oh, they are all anti-Marcos. And Teacher Joy Pendao Sancheta, she's also anti-Marcos. There's the only a person who's a Marcos loyalist is Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Eskel Penumbra, Kel Pabelo, Danmar Dayaw, Sangkay Janjan, and Romeo TV Vlog. I had enough about Marcoses. I had enough about Ilocano. I am anti-Ilocano. I am anti-Semitic and I am anti-Marcos. Like I said, I am anti-Marcos because I know we are being scammed by Bangag. Is this what you say you love Marcoses? Is this what you say you love Marcoses? Danmar? You're abnormal, Danmar Dayaw. You do not know what you're talking about to bash Kuya Rodelio Daguman. If I'm saying Kuya Rodelio Daguman is an anti-Marcos, like I said, anong pake ko kay Rodelio? Like, what is his true problem? You know, Danmar Dayaw, I suggest to you, you need to leave the Marcos loyalist. You have to be non-political. This is hard to say to those Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos. They don't know what they're doing at. Politics, politics, politics everywhere. Nobody loved Marcoses. If I say again, to those Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos, listen to Teacher May. Listen to Teacher May Tiburcio, what she said before, magnanakaw pala si Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. Same as his son, Bangag, is also a thief. Magnanakaw si Bangag. I don't like Marcoses. You know, I am anti-Marcos. I really hate the Marcoses. I am a pro-Duterte and I am non-political. I am non-partisan.